So 8 feet I went into the house, and that turns up, so that's as far as it goes there. But you see it's cast iron. I think the little sections of ABS are like repairs, like where they're changing the plumbing under this kitchen sink, whatever it may be, bathrooms. There goes ABS, cast iron again. But it's clear. All cast iron is going to have a corrosion scaling. So now I'm going to try to go back. Oh, it's got my camera dirty. The other way. Yeah. Put all that water in there. Okay, so now we're going down towards the alley. Again, it's cast iron. Good thing is you're not worried about the trees in the front because it goes out the back. So it has, what you'll get in the old home when you see water billet like this, in toilet paper, it's the belly in a pipe. Because the pipes start to, instead of going straight, they get a little curve in them. And that's just because the ground settles over time. And you typically always see it now, so it's not that bad again. And still cast iron. There's your good friends. So, those are just spider webs.
When you say friends, those are water bugs, huh?
Or I don't know if they're cockroaches or what they are, but I see them all the time.
Okay.
Primarily in the older homes. Spiderweb. So all those little lumps and stuff, it's a cast iron from it. You could have this thing, I don't know if they had it done before, but you get it descaled or you hydrojet it to try to clear some of the stuff out every once in a while.
Yeah. You want a chair?
No, I'm good. I'm just getting too old.
It's like you did. I can stop.
So this material, change, I could do this in May right now. We're 73 feet out. Okay, so now we're starting to connect in the alley. When you start making a turn, you see it, and that's, see how it goes a different direction?
Yeah.
So that's the city main right there.
Okay.
Or the main that connects all the houses.
Right, right.
And it goes the opposite direction. This is called the top hat right there.
Okay.
So, I mean, there's no offset. You don't have to worry about trees because it goes that way. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
The only thing is just an older cast iron pipe.
Right.
So you're going to have the corrosion scale with those pipes.
Right.
And it's pretty clear right now.
Okay.
I don't foresee any issues right now. But
Okay.
you're probably going to have to keep an eye on it.
Right.
If it starts maintenance it and just keep it cleared out. Because it keeps,
Okay.
the corrosion keeps coming back.
Okay. So what was that pumping?
I don't know what that is with the water like that, doing that.
We can't get it to replicate either, huh?
Probably we run it for a while, you could.
I'm concerned about